Hello guys, welcome back in this part of series and this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one base Telegram bot. You can earn free Bitcoin from that bot. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are freeware earning website. You can earn much more cryptocurrency if you want to earn, and just watch my videos and you will be able to earn much more amount and you can exactly enjoy of the earning. Okay, let's get started. I go to my Telegram. This is the bot. This bot link available in description. Just click start. Okay, please pass the capture. Click here, open a window, pass the capture. After that you can simply go to earn your free cryptocurrency. Okay, JR827 and just click submit, pass it and just come to this website and you can see, click here. Okay, I pass the capture. The next step is join some Telegram link. This website show you 3. Just join this 3 Telegram link. After join, okay, this is the last one. Okay, that's it. After clicking join all of these links, just down in here click join. Okay, and now you can see you're in your free earning way. If you want to free BTC, just click free BTC. This website show you some payment proof. Just click here. Okay, just open the page if you want to see how, or just you can watch the video. And if you want to earn free bonus, okay, just click bonus and that's it. 1 BTC Satoshi you get in your amount. You can go to your balance, you can see how much BTC you have. Okay, the minimum amount for withdrawal is 1 Satoshi. Okay, and the next is the mine free Bitcoin. You can see a miner to pay other people. You can just click it and you can go to that and start mining, or you can invite other friends. Okay, every inviting people is 5 BTC. The first 50 inviting people is this much BTC. Other people, if invite other people, you can earn this much amount, and this is your referral link. You can explode and tell others to join this Telegram bot. You can complete task. Okay, task 1. Okay, this is the task. You just download this application, sign up, verify email, take a screenshot that show you who have signed it, click the button below to complete the task, and you will be able to earn 20 BTC installing app and sign up. That's wonderful. Okay, that wonderful. You just click it, go to some website, download that application, or you can come in this website, this Play Store, and just you can download this application and you can sign up. You can earn 20 BTC just installing some application. After you sign up, if you don't want to run this application, after you sign up, get your BTC and delete back this application, you earn your 20 BTC. That's no problem. Okay, just wait to after downloading. This website is very wonderful and very awesome. You can get a lot of BTC from here. Okay, just completing some tasks, just completing some games, some programs, some application. Maybe some of that is useful for you, maybe or not. Okay, right now you can see I am installing. Okay, wait few seconds, that's going to installing, waiting. Okay, just I click open. You can make an account, verify that account, and complete that task. Okay, an error, click create an account. Okay, maybe this show you an error, something wrong. Okay, maybe this program is not working too much. You can choose another app. You can go to task 1. You can return the task. You can choose another task if you want. Okay, now you can see I solved the problem, and that's too easy to. You can click your Google Play and sign up with your Google account. I sign up with my Google account. After that I just click to verify. Okay, claim bonus, keep it up, continue, get started. You can earn some points if you select your favorite music. If this website is so good for me, this application so good for me for earning, I'm making another video about this application to you can earn much more. Right now just I want to share with you to how you can get that 20 BTC in your in that boards. Okay, go to here. You can see you can delete your account. Where is the verification of account? Okay, take a screenshot of this account. You make it. You can boost your amount too in here. Okay, wait a second, I just want to take a screenshot. Okay, where is the I take a screenshot from here because this is the ID maybe, or linked orders is a people, future request is another request. Okay, delete report earning. Okay, right now this is my account. You can play game, you can go to booster, you can boost your amount, you can deals. Okay, another points, you can earn much more points from here too. Okay, the today completing task is confirm email address. I just with my own email address that will be automatically confirm it. And for right now I think it's great. I go to my board again, I just click complete the task. Wait a second, what this one told me. After that I share with you. Now right now this one be show me send a picture. Okay, show me one advertisement. Okay, this will show me send a picture. I just send that picture to, I just get a screenshot. Maybe this one is that picture to this website wants. I don't know. Okay, your proof has been sent. Admin review, please start the bot. Okay, after admin review this website, pay me my that amount to this website told me. Okay, you can start a task again. You can go to review other bots and you can return to back to menu. Okay, after this website pay you your amount, you can instantly withdraw. First of all, just after subscribe, just this was told you to subscribe our YouTube channel. You just click subscribe, and after that come back and click done. Okay, this will show me a error. Why? Okay, wait a second. Okay, subscribe it again. It's done for right now. Okay, to withdraw you need the list this much. Invite more people, you can withdraw your amount. Okay, thanks for watching guys. If you like this bots, and if you like to just complete some task, and if you like to just download some videos, some programs, applications, some games, you want to earn free cryptocurrency, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch my other videos. Bye bye for now.